Our target market, for the very fact that our services are quite varied, is also quite varied. So a little bit about that, if I can explain. So we may have people who are entrepreneurial, so they are starting a business and they require consultancy, they require perhaps some social media assistance, they may require personal development within a business. They may have worked in one, but they've never run one, and that's a different kind of a challenge. We may have people who have got, and we do have people who have a startup company now, and we have people who have got a mature company now. It's either grown at a rate that their products weren't expecting, or it may not have grown at a rate that they were expecting, and they're trying to understand why that might be. So we give a mix of solutions for that. So our target market is met with a number of solutions. So we will look after them in terms of being in business currently, starting a business, having an idea for a business and not having got anywhere with it. And in addition to that, we'll also look at people who want to do that personally in terms of training and of coaching.